Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how you doing? What we're going to talk about today is something that is very unsettling. So sit down and relax and hold on to your seats, okay? If you're a vegetarian, you may not want to listen to this. Hold on. My heart is skipping a beat. Did you know that scientists have long known that plants have the capacity to exhibit changes in their phenotypes in response to stress? Yes. Some plants can, for instance, wilt, change color, release volatile organic compounds, and apparently they cry as well. I know. Just listen. Okay. There's a new study that was published. And it has been revealed that stress plants make informative sounds, which could potentially be detectable by other organisms besides curious scientists. They can hear them screaming. I know. Oh my gosh. They recorded ultrasonic sounds that are 20 to 150 kilohertz that was emitted by tomato and tobacco plants inside an acoustic chamber, and used machine learning algorithms to classify the recordings. It's terrible. It was then tested, the system, in a greenhouse, monitoring not just the sounds made by the plants, but also their psychological well-being. Oh my God. Did they have to give them a 6? I'm feeling verklempt. I'll give you a subject. I can't even think. Purple onions taste better than yellow onions. Discuss! In an effort to determine whether plants emit different sounds for different reasons, the researchers recorded them under different circumstances. When being deprived for water, when being cut, and when in a controlled setting. Oh my word. They found that under all circumstances, the tobacco and the tomato plants made sounds, but were much more sonically active when stressed. I'm stressed. Oh. And the tomato and tobacco plants, subjected to drought conditions, made 35 sounds and 11 sounds in 1 hour, respectively. I respect the plants. I'm so sorry. However, unstressed plants made fewer than 1 sound per hour on average. And the researchers, they noted that in one pot control, there where a pot with soil but no plant was recorded, their system did not record any sound. Oh my God. And the researchers, they successfully trained machine learning models to classify different plant conditions and species on the basis of the sounds that they made. In light of the accuracy of the interpretation, the researchers concluded that plant sounds carry information that can be interpreted and used for classification of plant type and conditions. What are you trying to say to me? Speak! Speak! Shh!
What was that? What was that? Green onion. What was it? Shh!
The submission and receipt of informative sound was possible outside the acoustic chamber as well. I knew I heard something. I knew it. In order to distinguish between the sounds generated by plants and background greenhouse noises, they first constructed a library of greenhouse noises by recording in an empty greenhouse, then trained a convolution neural network, or CNN. CNN, Clinton News Network. But the model to distinguish between the empty greenhouse noises and the sound of dry tomatoes recorded in the acoustic box. Again, they found that the tomato plant was noisily indicating its condition, such that the researchers could distinguish between the drought-stressed plants and the control plants with roughly 84% accuracy.
What was it saying? Tell me.
Tell me. these findings can alter the way that they think about the plant kingdom. What are my green onions saying to me? I don't understand you. They only speak in plant language. Can you hear your plants speaking? Do you understand them?
What are they saying?
Now, they have provided evidence of tomato and tobacco plants and their thoughtless cries. Thoughtless. You're thoughtless to say that the tomato is thoughtless. Oh. But they are confident that other plants like kale and avocado and spinach might similarly make sounds. Oh. Although human beings may have been deaf to plant chatter, is that why I can't hear you, green onion? Up until now, do I have to be at one with my green onion? The researchers indicated that all other organisms may have evolved to pick up and comprehend the meaning of these sounds. For instance, moths. Moths? Moths? Some of them using tomato and tobacco as hosts for their larvae. Ugh, okay. They can hear and react to ultrasound and the frequencies and intensities that were recorded. Nearby plants may also respond to the sounds emitting by the plants. And the plants were already shown to react to sounds and specifically to increase their drought tolerance in response to the sounds. I want to respond to you, green onion, but you're not allowing me to hear you. The suggestion that the sounds that drought-stressed plants make could be used in precision agriculture seems feasible if it is not too costly to set up a recording in a field situation. I want to hear it. As a gardener, I want to hear it. What do you think? Have you gone out into your freedom garden and spoken to your plants? I am ashamed. I have not done that. All right, guys, I'm out of here. I'll see you in the next one. And this is no joke either. So I'll see you in the next one. You stay safe, you stay positive, you keep prepping. And as always, I'm fearless. Ciao.